Hey guys, it's Lindsay. I have not done a nail video really besides Project Polish yet, so I decided that this will be the first one that I would reveal to you guys, and if you like it, I would be glad to do a tutorial on how to do it. So, these are my nails right now. Now, my lighting is weird because my flowers have much more detail in it, but my room, for some reason right now, I don't have the ring light on. I didn't really think I would need it, but I was afraid, honestly, that it would be too bright. I'm not exactly happy with this petal here, but I can get over it. And I wish that I would have went in a little further here, but this is the flower, you know, that she has in her hair from the movie, which I put over here. I just wanted to do another flower. I may even add one here and another one here in a completely different color. I originally just had the flower on the tip and decided that I needed some Ursula up in this nail look. I also did the other hand. It's really weird. I am right-handed, but most of the time, I swear I do this hand better. I don't understand how. I did bump it right here earlier, so there's that little nick, which I can fix that, so that's not really a big deal at all. That just happened today when I was out doing stuff. So, but yes, I think this one looks way better. The indents came in on the tail correctly. All of it. I really love these. This is all done in 3D, what they call sculpting gel or modeling gel. It's like doing your nails in 3D so that there's layer to them. I like to add the texture. That's always nice. Even just the suckers on the tentacles are pretty friggin' rad, and they feel nice, and they're not too crazy bumpy. So I'm honestly shocked that I've not had a single one pop off, because these are two different types of gel sculpting. You just never know until you just get used to it and use them. Like, there's definitely some others I want to try, but this one made the most sense. But I wanted you guys to kind of have an idea of what I really like to do. This is new for me. I have not used 3D sculpting materials before. I learned it basically by myself. I used my own technique. So if any of you guys are interested, let me know and I will hook you guys up so that you can get what you need to find out how to get this look. I will be back soon with a couple more videos, and please subscribe, hit the like button down below, and also hit the alert bell down below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!